Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we'll continue with our entity framework with very small projects. So previously we have done from categories, category list and add category, and calculator, paint, exit. All this is done. We just have two left, product list and add products. Let's first when we click our product list, we want our product list to be shown inside MDI parent. Let's double click this one. Already we have done it, sorry. Yeah, product we're done. We just need add product maybe. Let's go add product. Let me see. We have to go to product edit form. From here we have to, we need a product, and also maybe a product ID, and let's create another product ID, integer product ID. Let's set this one. We say product ID equal from constructor product ID. And now let's start from here maybe, or from product edit. That's from product edit. First let's exit, double click, we say this, close. And let's go again from insert, let's double click it. Now we are going to use our product management contacts, sorry. We will first create our contacts, get instance from it, and then we say bar added entity equal contacts entry, and then we need a new product, say new product. No, we don't need ID, we need a product name. It's the product name, and then we need category ID. Takes a category ID. Here we'll get ID from text a category name. How we are going to get it now? Let me see. And we have value member and display member. Display, it will be our category name. Value member, it will be our ID. How we can get it? Let's go and check it. So let's close all these things again. Let's product edit, product list. Let's first try here how we can do it. Edit value. properties. Now we'll do like this. Say category ID, because this is lookup edit. Say get column value, and then our column will be category ID. We'll have to convert it int. This is not semicolon. And now our unit in stock, I have to convert this one also into integer. Text unit in stocks text. Not like this, maybe. We'll say convert to int 32. Unit in stock text, and then unit price convert to decimal. Unit price, yes. Now what we are going to do, whenever this product edit form to be loaded, we would like to our category name lookup edit to be filled from our categories. So we come from coding, we create a method, we say private void fill categories, and now here we'll be using our contacts again, products management contacts, new contacts, and then we will be saying takes the category name, properties, data source, it will be contacts, categories to list. And then since it has a display member we want to display, for example, our category name, value number, it will be ID of our categories. So we go back here, there we say takes the category name, this that's from properties, display member, we'll write category name, and then takes the category name properties, then value number, it will be our ID from the database, then it will be category ID. And that's this one we will be using when our form is loaded. Let's go here from properties, choose our form, and then from events load, then we call our fill categories, say fill categories. Let's start running. We didn't call it yet, let's call it from here and from here. Now double click insert, and we call our product edit form, we declare new one, product edit form, get instance from it, and since it will be inserted, then I will put -1, because it will just be inserted, it will not pass through any ID there. And then product edit form show dialog. Now let's run it, how it is functioning, and then insert, Now I will open this. As you see that we have our categories. We can choose it, and even we can do this one. We don't. If you don't want to show like category ID also, we can do these things also. We'll do it maybe. Let's first go our product edits. We want it be opened. Center parent. This is the first, and the second one from column. Here we can add it only if you want to show. If you want to only show that category name, here we write like a category name, and field from our database it will be category name, and will not be seeing ID, but we can see ID, that's okay, no problem. And now let's see for these things, apparent focus, maybe we need to go and change all this back color of when it focused. Say light, shine. Let's follow product name. And as for this one, we'll do for all of them. And let's do for unit price as well. And now let's run our small project and insert. So you see we have all products and so our calculator. What we are going to do is insert. We'll start with the insert, you say. Now insert must be done like this, then we'll give our message here and say extra message box shows, then first our caption, but we want to say, for example, this takes the product name, which product will be added. Product has been successfully added, and then from caption we say add in a product, and then as a for button we say OK, and then icon information. Let's see, from list, after this one, still we didn't list it, we did insert one, but let's create a method for listing. That method, it will be a little bit different because we will going to use data transfer object, private void get all products. That's the name of our method. Let's go for solution. We create a new class here and we call it product DTO. I just name it like this. I set it public, and now we go for products entity. We copy all of them except one thing will be changing, and then only this category ID, because when we want to list it, we don't want to it be show like category ID, we want it showed us category name. So let's say string and then not category ID, category name. And then let's go, we call our contacts to create instance from our product management contacts. So using products, management contacts, also contacts, and now let's say var result from P in contacts and from products, and then we say join C in contacts categories. We just join both of our table here. Now we'll say on P category ID equals C category ID. Then we say select new product detail DTO, and then first let's go for product name. For product ID you say P product ID. Then as for category name you say C category name. Let's go for units in stock, P unit in stocks, and let's go for unit price, and then P unit price. And let's write here product name, P product name. That's it. And then here let's see, so result, this is now queryable. We have to list it. What we can do here, we say grid view products, then data source result to list. That's it. Sorry, grid control. Sorry, my apology. And then we have to call this method from product list load event. And let's go choose our form, and from loaded we say get all products, and let's run it how it is functioning. As you see that we are getting our product name, product ID, and the category name, not category ID, and then unit in stock and unit price. Maybe we could do this ID on the left side, it will be look cooler. Let's go from run designer, 1 minute, from properties, parent cell, and text options, horizontal alignment, let's say not far, maybe near. Let's run it how it is functioning. Yeah, we can even center it. I don't know, maybe this is maybe smaller, it look better, but that's what I can do now. And what we can do now, we are going to our edit, so we'll do insert. We already did it, and when we save it, let's see if it is insert in the right product list. After we insert, we have to call our get products in order to refresh our grid view. Now let's try it. Is it functioning or not? Let's insert, and this is make it read only. I forget to do it. We go from all properties, and then we have a read only. We set it true. Now let's run it. And then insert. Let's product name. What I will do, for example, say general mobile 20 Pro. And then from category cell phone, unit in stocks, let's say we have 850, and unit price, let's say $1,400. And we can change these things also because it's not proper way. Let's go first change it, then we'll save it. Sorry, from mask, your unit in stock, I will go to the change mask, and I will say a new mask, and I will say and2. This was like numeric, and after with the 2 precision. No, sorry. We have to just write, maybe D is enough. We need decimal, okay. And that's unit price. We'll do and2. And also here we have to choose United States. United States, because we want to show a dollar, and then we choose the currency and use mask as display format, and let's say okay. Now let's run it how it is. Insert, anyway, we say general mobile 20 Pro, and then it's a cell phone, unit in stocks, let's say we have 850, and unit price $1,400. Yeah. Now let's go insert it, how it is functioning. We have an error. Let's see, where is our error? 47. Let's go it. We actually didn't do anything here. Sorry. Because when I watch it, I always see like people make mistakes, but when I make a video, I do a lot of mistakes. Say edit entity, state, then we say edit, and then contacts, save changes. Now let's say product list, insert, and let's say general mobile G20 Pro, and then category cell phone, unit price 754, and then $1,400. Let's say insert. Again we have it, this time 47, 48, sorry. Let me see, we have a mistake in somehow. We put a breakpoint here, and this one is say general mobile, just write something randomly. And go to detail. Maybe we have to convert this one. This is objects. It's first to string, and then let's do convert to 32. Let's try like this. Again, we have error. Get column value. Maybe here we have a mistake. Guys, I think I found my mistake here, that in unit price we have a dollar symbol, so it tried to this one to convert into decimal, so that's why it gives error. So I just trim it. It starts, we have this one, I say trim, it will remove, then convert into decimal. In this way it's working. I added something. Let's say insert. That's general mobile. It was cell phone. And in stock, let's we have $1,400. Let's say insert. Okay, we have a problem. There's something with the mask. Supposed to edit, I just edit. Now, why it added before not? write smaller in unit price, it adds. And a bit later we'll check this one in detail. For now, what we are going to do, we will say change mask, and we'll remove this one. Let's try it again. Definitely, if precision goes further, it gives this error.